Over here today, I'm showing you the executive features you get with this house. Look at this, an actual bar table. These drinks are just for show. And check out the view over here. You get a real pool. Over here, you get a pontoon. In case you don't know what a pontoon is, I just recently discovered this. Over here in Australia, they live the life of millionaires. This isn't even an expensive home. But there's a boat, look, a yacht just there, another boat over there. So over in London, where you have your shoebox apartments, come to Australia. Look at the land. This is life. You get to wake up in the morning, stare at your pontoon, and just have to buy a yacht to keep up with your neighbours. Good day, neighbour. You can see me, it's right there. A media room. You got a projector. Does this come with the property? We don't. Is it fixtures and fishing to furniture? It's got a house. Get on auction. I don't know what I'm doing here. Dream home over here. Check it out. You got a projector. Who wants to go cinema? What are we watching? We've got everything you can watch. You can even do a stage, a little dance. To be or not to be. That is the auction's question. So come on through to one of the many bedrooms you get in this property. And as you know, there is some conditions you're gonna have to repair yourself with auction properties. That's why hopefully you might get it cheaper. You probably won't with this one, but like over here, you got a vanity and there's cracks inside it. But what's crazy about this property itself is that it used to be an investment property, Airbnb. They're making a ton of money on it. So every single bedroom has its own personal toilet and shower. Don't get that. Look, TV. What brand is that? Tech review, right? Check it out. The tech review. You guys following this channel, Sonic. That's what they use in Airbnbs. Waterfront Airbnbs. You're gonna have to look at your neighbors. So this is the garage. Obviously, a bit of echo. No solar panels on this property. So you're gonna have to get to install that yourself, but it does come look like a broom and a vacuum sort of system. Only $1.5 million. Ooh. Can that about fit about 2 cars? And guys, this one comes with coronavirus. Over upstairs, you can see the stairs, the steps. There is a bit of replacement wood. You're gonna need chips on the floor, but that's what you inherit, and you have to fix it up yourself. Upstairs, look at this master suite. You get a little sofa to chill, enjoy your life. Look at that amazing view right behind me. You got the chandelier. You got your neighbors just staring at them. They're staring at you. There is no privacy curtains. So you're gonna have like every single day, good day, neighbor. How are you doing? And you can see what the people downstairs are up to. I'm scared of this place because I'm gonna want it every single day. Just nice solid construction. Now, I always do the jump test in every property I go to because I've been to some auction properties where it literally, the house is falling to pieces. This one hopefully looks like it's made out of concrete and wood. Beautiful view of your other neighbors over here. And of course, there's another bedroom. So what did you get? Another bathroom. Just get up. A shower built in, a toilet. Always make sure you test it. Ooh, what's that smell? And over here, what's this? This was television tech review, isn't it? This is not Panasonic, it's Palsonic. Have you heard of that company? I haven't. You want to check out the master suite? Now the interesting thing about this master suite is the bathtub. It shakes. There's going to be some plumbing issues over with this one. Let me show you over here. It looks gorgeous and beautiful, but what's this wobble? Yeah, there's going to be some issues happening there in the showers. They look gorgeous, but look at the rust. What's that called? What's that grime called? Scum. It needs a bit of a cleaning, but luckily with this weird bedroom design, which by the way, it has no doors, privacy doors. So you're literally staring at your neighbors when you're in the bath. Look at that, making eye contact. G'day, mate. But luckily they've thought about the design because over here you've got a toilet seat. You can actually sit down and have a bit of privacy. Obviously not too much privacy because you're still checking out your mates. Oh, good morning. Welcome to the birds of paradise. Welcome to the birds of paradise. The smell of paradise. Birds of paradise. It's an actual plant. Over here, in your own lawn. It's all concrete, there's no grass. Great place to raise your kids.
Ladies and gentlemen, one party has asked for 5%, so we're passing that on to all, so all conditions stay the same for everyone, and we're 30 to 60 days as far as settlement period as well.